Stagecoach. I've known you for a long time, ever since 2015, and you have provided a great service and a great brand identity. Farewell, Stagecoach's East Midlands trains, and welcome Abellio's East Midlands Railway. From tomorrow, the old East Midlands trains brand will be replaced by the new East Midlands Railway brand and will be divided into two new brands: EMR Intercity for intercity services between London St Pancras International, Corby, Nottingham and Sheffield, and EMR Regional for all other East Midlands regional services. That is all for now. Slán.
Will be 11:53 to Sheffield. East Midlands train service from Nottingham to Skegness. 156497. Thank you. 156497 to Skegness. Different ways from some of the passengers and the train line.
Doncaster via Lincoln.
Platform 1 Sleaford will be 12:50 to Sheffield. East Midlands train service